Y-axis, the vertical number line in a Cartesian coordinate graph. A number line is a line continuing in both directions with a 0 in the middle, positive numbers to the right and negative numbers to the left. Starting out, we learn about horizontal number lines, which are number lines in the left to right orientation. Soon after learning the word horizontal, we learn vertical, which is up and down. At some point, we apply the vertical orientation to a number line, and we have named that vertical number line the y-axis. Together, the x-axis, which is the horizontal number line, and the y-axis, which is the vertical number line, crossing each other at their origins, which are their 0 marks, we have created what is called the Cartesian Coordinate Graphing System, and it allows a point to be plotted in 2 dimensions, parentheses, horizontal and vertical end parentheses. By plotting 2 or more points, a 2-dimensional graph or an illustration of various sets of numbers can be created. The sets of numbers are called the domain and range. The domain is the set of x values of a graph, and the range is the set of y values of a graph. Basically speaking, we can graph lines, curves, and 2-dimensional shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, and circles. The y-axis is the vertical number line of the Cartesian coordinate system. Antonyms: x-axis, related words, number line, points, plotting points, domain, range, graph.